Welcome to this algebra lesson. Today, we are going to master the distributive property, specifically focusing on how to handle subtraction and negative signs. This is a topic where many students make simple mistakes, but by the end of this video, you will be a pro at it. First, let's remember what it means to distribute. In algebra, distributing means taking the number outside the parentheses and multiplying it by each term inside. You can think of it like handing out a card to everyone in a room. The arrow shows the path of multiplication from the outside number, to both b and c. Here is the official formula for distribution with subtraction. If you have a times the quantity b minus c, it equals a times b, minus a times c. Notice how the subtraction sign stays in the middle. We multiply the outer term, by the first term b, and then subtract the result of a times the second term c. Let's look at a simple example with positive numbers. We have 5 times the quantity x minus 3. Step 1 is to multiply 5 times x. Step 2 is to multiply 5 times 3, keeping that subtraction sign. 5 times x is 5x, 5 times 3 is 15. So our final answer is 5x minus 15. Before we move to harder problems, we must review our sign rules for multiplication. This is crucial. A positive times a positive is positive. A positive times a negative is negative. And most importantly for this lesson, a negative number multiplied by a negative number gives you a positive result. Keep this rule in mind. Now, what happens if the number outside the parentheses is negative? Here we have negative 2 times the quantity x minus 4. The key here is to realize that the negative sign is attached to the 2. You aren't just distributing a 2, you are distributing a negative 2 to everything inside. Let's break that down. First, multiply negative 2 by x, which gives us negative 2x. Next, multiply negative 2 by negative 4. Remember our rule? Negative times negative is positive. So negative 2 times negative 4 becomes positive 8. The final expression is negative 2x plus 8. Let's try a slightly trickier one. Negative 3 times the quantity 2x minus 5. Follow the arrows. First, negative 3 times 2x is negative 6x. Next, negative 3 times negative 5 is positive 15. We write that as plus 15. So the answer is negative 6x plus 15. Here is the most common mistake students make. Look at the left side. The student multiplied negative 4 by x correctly, but when they multiplied negative 4 by negative 3, they forgot to change the sign and kept it as minus 12. That is incorrect. On the right, you see the correct way. Negative 4 times negative 3 becomes positive 12. To wrap up, remember these 3 points. 1. Always multiply the outer term by every single term inside the parentheses. 2. Treat subtraction like adding a negative number. And 3. Watch your signs carefully, especially negative times negative, which equals a positive. Thanks for watching and keep practicing.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.